So how'd you do? Did your designs reduce the impact on the pedestrians? If so, why? Well, let me ask you this. To reduce the chances of injuries, should the impact time between the vehicle's front end and the pedestrian be increased or decreased? Well, if you've done any of our other activities, you'll remember that increasing that impact time during a collision reduces the force of the collision. So your designs should have had something that would give between the vehicle and the pedestrian. Here you can see I actually tried to make it so that this foam rubber would move backwards over an extended time, increasing that impact time and reducing the impact forces. That's the key. Vehicle safety regulators in Europe and elsewhere have implemented vehicle testing programs specifically aimed at protecting pedestrians. In the US, the IIHS rates auto brake systems that detect the pedestrian and bring the car to a safe stop or reduce its speed before a pedestrian is struck.